Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Myself Shweta Mudgal, a representative of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Today we will start with GK. Take out your books and pencils. So let's start. Take out, open your book, chapter number 13, that is Science and Technology. As we all know, science helps us in many ways. The heading of the chapter is Great Discoverers. Discoverers, the first person who explore or find a substance or a scientific phenomena. Here we are going to discuss some discoverers, Indian scientists who have made us proud. They have done something different. Identify them by filling in their names in the blanks using the help box. Number 1, a mathematical genius, extraordinary intelligent. He made a substantial contribution, considered remarkable contribution in several areas of mathematics. He died at a very young age. His name is Srinivasa Ramanujan. Number 2, he was a renowned, famous physicist. Physicist means an expert in physics or a student of physics, and the founder of India's space program. The International Astronomical Union, the full form of IAU, the International Astronomical Union, has named a crater on the moon after him. इनके नाम पर था. That is Vikram Sarabhai. Number 3, an eminent nuclear physicist, a very famous, renowned in a particular sphere, is called eminent. It is very respectable and famous in a particular sphere. Physicist, as I have told you earlier, student or expert in physics. He was associated with the country's first nuclear test in 1974. The first nuclear test हुआ था 1974 में. He is regarded as the one of the most successful creators of science and technology in India. Raja Raman. Students, Raja Raman is often considered as the father of Indian nuclear program. So read it also. Number 4, he pioneered. Pioneer means the person who is among the first who explore or find out some things. The investigation, systematic research of radio and microwave optics and made extremely important contributions. इनका योगदान बहुत बड़ा था किसमें? Plant science में. He is regarded as the India's first modern scientist. Remember it, Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose. Number 4, a world renowned, famous, well known physicist. He was awarded the Nobel Prizes in Physics in 1930 for the discovery of the Raman effect, which is named after it. जो उनके नाम पर ही रखा गया था क्योंकि उनका नाम था सर सीवी रमन और उनका डिस्कवरी का क्या नाम था? रमन इफेक्ट. So students, open chapter 15, that is language and literature. Language is one of the most important means of communication through which we can express our views and ideas. Here we will read about some Indian classicals. Many of them you have already read and know about it. Let's check our knowledge, how much we know about it. Okay, now take out your pencils and start filling with me. Classics can be termed as work of arts of recognized and established values. जो हमारी values हैं उनको identify करता है. India has a long tradition of creative writing. अगर हम इंडिया के बैकग्राउंड में देखें, इसका ट्रेडिशन क्रिएटिव राइटिंग का है दोनों साइड में, पॉलिटिकल एज वेल एज फिलोसफिकल. Now, how much you know about Indian classicals? Check our knowledge by answering this question. I hope you must have known many of them. Okay. Now, number 1, which is the oldest document in Indian literature? Answer is the Rig Veda. Number 2, what are Upanishad? Upanishad means religious text based teachings called, जो religious based teachings होती हैं उनको the Vedantas के नाम से जानते हैं. 3, how many couplets? Couplets in Hindi we called it doha are there in Mahabharata. Doha means a pair of successive lines in verse typically rhyming and a same length. लाइक ऐसी वाणी बोलिए मन का आपा खोए, औरन को शीतल करे आपहु शीतल होए। आप देखेंगे इसमें होए खोए राइमिंग एंड द लेंथ इज सेम। तो कितने कपलेट्स हैं महाभारत में? मोर देन 90,000। नंबर 4, विच इज़ द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट रिलीजियस बुक ऑफ ट्रेडिशनल हिंदुइज्म। अगर मैं ये आंसर ना भी लिखूँ तो आपको आता होगा, भागवत गीता, जो हम सबके घर में मिलती है। नंबर 5, द ग्रेटेस्ट 7th century poet who has composed short Sanskrit verses full of spiritual wisdom, आध्यात्मिक, that is भर्तृहरि। Number 6, the greatest work in Buddhist literature was written in Pali language, that was Middle Indo-Aryan language. Number 7, Bhavbhuti, one of the 9 gems of King Vikramaditya code। जैसे हमने अकबर के 9 रत्न पढ़े थे, ऐसे विक्रमादित्य के 9 रत्नों में से एक था जिन्होंने एक लव स्टोरी लिखी थी, मालती माधव। वो कौन थे? भवभूति। नंबर 8, पंचतंत्रा, बच्चों आप लोगों ने जरूर पढ़ी होगी, इज द फेमस संस्कृत वर्क ऑफ कंपाइलेशन। कंपाइलेशन हियर मीन्स अ प्रोसेस ऑफ कंपाइलिंग और असेंबलिंग स्पेशली अ बुक्स, लिस्ट और टेक्स्ट of animal fables. Fables means a short story typically based on animals and conveying some moral. Number 9, which famous answer is Panchatantra. Number 9, which famous manual on drama has been written by sage Sadhu Bharat, that is Natya Shastra. Now turn to chapter 18, that is Women Nobel Laureates. Laureates means who has awarded or honored by some recognized remarkable prizes. Here we are discuss some Nobel prizes which has received by a woman. The Nobel Prize is awarded for the remarkable contributions in the field of physics, chemistry, literature, medicine, peace and economics. The Nobel Prize and Prize in Economic Sciences have been awarded a staggering 49 times to women. It is very pride to know. Between 1901 and 2016, only one woman, her name is Marie Curie, has been honored twice. She has been honored twice with the 1903 Nobel Prize in Physics and 1911 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. This means, underline it beta, you should learn it. This means that 48 women in total, 49 but one received twice, it means 48 in total, have been awarded the Nobel Prize between 1901 and 2016. We are going to discuss some women who make us feel proud. Given below are the picture as well as the clues related to some women Nobel Prize awardees. Name them using the help box. Number 1, an environmental and political activist, means who cares about environment and politics, from Kenya. She belongs to Kenya. She was awarded the Nobel Prize in Peace in 2004. In which section she was awarded? In Peace. Her name is Wangari Maathai. Number 2, she was the first American who was awarded the Nobel Prize in Economics in 2009, Elinor Ostrom. Write the spelling carefully, I am repeating it, ELINOR-OSTROM. Number 3, she is an American teacher and social worker to be jointly awarded, shared with someone, the Nobel Prize in Peace in 1997. And her name is Jody Williams. Number 4, she is the President of Liberia. In 2011, the Nobel Peace Prize was awarded to her for her non-violence. महात्मा गांधी ने भी किया था non-violence, अहिंसा, struggle for the safety. किसकी safety के लिए किया इन्होंने non-violence? Women and women rights, ladies और उनके rights के लिए. Her name is Ellen Johnson Sirleaf. Number 5, in 1931, she became the first American woman to be awarded the Nobel Peace Prize, Jane Addams. And the last is number 6, a British novelist who wrote novel, who was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 2007, that is Doris Lessing. So, we finish here, fill it carefully, meet in the next session. Till then, thank you.